Welcome back to My Health, your trusted source for all things wellness. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of garlic, often referred to as nature's wonder bulb. From its numerous health benefits to important cautions, we'll explore everything you need to know about garlic gold. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about garlic. Known for its pungent aroma and distinct flavor, garlic has been used for centuries not only as a culinary ingredient but also for its medicinal properties. Rich in sulfur compounds, antioxidants, and vitamins, garlic offers a wide array of health benefits that we'll delve into shortly. Now, let's explore some of the incredible health benefits of garlic. Firstly, garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties, thanks to its antimicrobial and antiviral properties. It can help reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu. Additionally, garlic is renowned for its heart-healthy effects, including lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Moreover, garlic may have anti-inflammatory effects, improve digestion, and even offer protection against certain types of cancer. While garlic offers an impressive array of health benefits, it's important to exercise caution, especially in certain situations. Firstly, some individuals may experience adverse reactions to garlic, such as digestive discomfort or allergic reactions. Additionally, garlic may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and some HIV medications, so it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider if you're taking any medications regularly. Furthermore, excessive consumption of garlic, particularly in raw form, may lead to unpleasant breath odor or even garlic-induced dermatitis in sensitive individuals. To ensure safe consumption of garlic while maximizing its health benefits, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Firstly, cooking garlic can help reduce its pungency and make it more digestible for some individuals. Opt for cooked garlic in dishes like stir-fries, soups, and sauces. Additionally, if you experience digestive discomfort from raw garlic, consider incorporating it into your diet in small amounts or trying aged garlic supplements, which may be gentler on the stomach. Lastly, store garlic bulbs in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain their freshness and potency. As we conclude our exploration of garlic gold, it's clear that this humble bulb offers a wealth of health benefits when consumed mindfully. From boosting immunity to supporting heart health and beyond, garlic truly deserves its reputation as a superfood. However, it's essential to be mindful of potential cautions and consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, remember to savor the flavor and reap the benefits of garlic in moderation. Here's to your health.